looking to rejuvenate your skin, you might want to consider Broadband Light. And Dr. Jennifer Walden is here. She's offering this new technology right here in Austin. You really are cutting edge to a lot of these, different types of technology that helps us look our best.
Thanks for having me on.
It's great to see you, men and women. Both, right? Because
absolutely.
A lot of times when we think about like vanity and looking nice and a little refresher, we think about, us ladies. You have a lot of male patients.
Absolutely. And Broadband Light is a great cutting-edge, innovative technology that we've seen actually when we apply this intense light on a series of treatments, it can slow down or reverse aging at a genetic level. In other words, genes are altered in the skin cells to more resemble younger skin cells, meaning less wrinkles, less pigment, clearer skin, brighter skin. Another word for this is photofacial.
Right. And so, but it's better than a photofacial though, right? Does it take it to the next level?
It really, yeah. This is a company, Cyton, developed this, and I'm implementing it in my office. People across the country are getting great results, and it really puts the brake on aging. Another study showed that when we look at a group of 55-year-olds over a period of years, if they've got treatments 3 to 5 times in the first year, 1 to 2 times as maintenance in the following years, they looked on average 9 years younger to a panel of independent evaluators of dermatologists, plastic surgeons, and lay people. So it shows visible reduction of aging of skin.
Now we do have some photos here. We want to show you some before and after if you want to pop those up.
And
look, those are the pigment you were talking about.
These are pigment, sunspots, age spots, and you can see the before on the left and the after on the right with a dramatic reduction in that.
So how many, I guess, light therapy sessions do you have to go to?
Yeah, generally in the first cycle, say within the first 6 months, get 3 to 5 treatments, and then every year thereafter you're going to get 1 to 2 treatments as maintenance, and that would really put the brakes and halt the aging signs that we see externally on the skin.
And here's one of those male patients I was talking about.
One of those male patients getting treated, and you can see the diminishing of the redness, or what we call rosacea, in him.
Yeah, awesome. And let's look at that third picture.
In the back, the back of the hands. This is a great area to treat. You know, we can do a lot with our face and wear makeup here, but the back of the hands really show the signs of aging. As you can see here, this woman has a diminished age spots and that sun damage that we see from living in Texas, living in Florida, that sort of thing.
I would also say, and maybe this is a stretch, but the quality of our skin, like the tone, has improved as well.
It improves the collagen and the firmness of the skin, and also improves the elasticity of the skin.
And this is an example of what a session would look like there. So is it painful?
It feels like a little rubber band snap, to tell you the truth. It's a little hot and a little rubber band snap, but after that, the sensation is gone. Minimal redness right after. You can put your makeup back on. There is no downtime. And the little brown spots just kind of flake off over the next couple of days.
Can you give us an idea of how much a session, or how much I guess the whole therapy would cost in the end?
Well, a facial therapy costs $375. Slightly less for chest and hands. For the chest, $200. Hands usually is around $100 to $150. And then if you can get that as a package, somewhat less. But in general, those are what the average costs would be in this region of the country.
Yeah, but we're not talking about an anti-aging cream. We're talking about something that genetically alters your skin cells.
Absolutely. And we've seen that with real science out of Stanford University, published in dermatology journals.
Dr. Jennifer Walden is who you need to talk to if this is something that you are interested in. It's not just your face, like we saw. It's the chest, it's the back of the hands, it's areas where you show age, and we all do. What age do we start considering something like this?
That's a great question, and it's usually late 30s or early 40s, or we're seeing the best bang for the buck. I mean, obviously those in their 50s and 60s can get the treatments, but at that time we're starting to look at their sagging skin and facelift, to tell you the truth. But those people in the middle age, early middle age, are the best patients really to get the very dramatic results that we're seeing.
Dr. Walden, good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you too.